Hey, it's Tom and welcome to Straightline Guitar Coaching. If you're here, you're probably one of these three types of people. You're a busy professional / entrepreneur, you've got a very busy schedule, you want to use guitar to switch off and decompress after a hard, long, stressful day at work. You're either a singer or artist who's tired of relying on other musicians and producers, and you want to learn guitar fast and efficiently so you can start performing on your own, or even start using a guitar to write your own songs. Or you're retired and you finally have time to do something for yourself. You've always been thinking about learning your guitar your whole life, but work and family have always come first. Now the kids are grown up, they've moved out. This is your time to get good at guitar. So if any of those three types of people resonate with you, then keep listening. Straightline Guitar Coaching, what is it and why does it benefit you? Well, unlike most guitar gurus or courses that just put out a bunch of random tutorials on a website and charge you a monthly subscription, their best interest is not actually getting you good at guitar quickly. They want to keep you on the hamster wheel, stuck and confused, running in circles so you can keep paying them that monthly subscription. That's not how I do things. Straightline Guitar Coaching is designed to take you from where you are right now to exactly where you want to be in a direct straight line. Sounds good on paper, but how do I actually do that? Well, I've been teaching guitar for over 10 years, and 5 of those years I taught kids in person from age 6 to 18. I had 2 guitar schools in Maidenhead, England, and that's where I learned what actually works and what doesn't when it comes to learning guitar efficiently. Now, I discovered that each song you play on guitar is based on the 4 fluency skills: picking, chords, scales, and strumming. If we just focus on increasing the skill level of those 4 skills, then we can actually play most songs and even use those skills to write our own songs, right? Rather than trying to learn bits and pieces of different songs, a scale here, a couple of chords that you can't even change properly, I'll give you the complete skill set so you can play the songs you want to play. Now, this isn't a course, and it's not a website full of random tutorials. It's a clear, concise, skill-based coaching program that will take you from where you are right now to exactly where you want to be, which is most likely playing songs fluently on the guitar. Start to finish, clean and confident. Now, don't mess around with teaching random things like the 12-bar blues or a cool jazz progression, unless your end goal is actually aligned with that, right? We focus just on the 4 foundational fluency skills, and once you get those locked in, you can play most of the songs that you want with ease. This is built for busy people with limited time. You don't need to practice for hours a day. You just need to follow the plan that I give you and stay consistent. And right now, I've got 5 spots available, and if this sounds like something that could work for you, hit the link below, book a call, and we'll see if it's a good fit. No pressure, just a conversation where we're going to see where you're at, what your goals are, whether Straightline Guitar Coaching is the right path to get you there.